Welcome to Body Full of Joy. I'm LeeAnn, and this is your Joyful Minute. Have you ever decided to exercise because you thought it would make you feel better, but you found yourself feeling miserable the whole time? This happens a lot. Now, neuroscience shows that if you exercise and you do it for long enough, you'll start to feel a natural sense of upliftment. We sometimes call this a runner's high. This is a chemical change in your body. The problem is many of us start to exercise kind of for the wrong reasons. Maybe we do it because we should, or we're trying to really focus on something and get fit. That's not bad, but it doesn't necessarily lead automatically to joy. So you can do this practice with any particular movement that you want, but I recommend, for now, trying something that you think you might actually like. If you hate Pilates, let's try dance instead. Once you start moving, start paying attention to what happens in the moment when you're not focused on joy. Are you trying to get the steps right? Are you worried about looking like the instructor? Are you just trying to make sure that you feel it in your glutes? Whatever the case may be, bring your attention back to joy. I guarantee that if you start doing this, you'll feel and experience more joy in your movement over time, maybe even right away. Now, there's a guided challenge, a 7-day challenge on embodying joy in the show notes for this video. So if you'd like to try this out and get a little more information, you're welcome to check that out. Otherwise, thanks for coming to Body Full of Joy. There are other videos here in the series I invite you to check out, and remember, move your body, love your mind.